The following question asks, if two graphs capital Y equals px squared plus q and small y equals 2x squared minus 1 intersect at x equals 2, find the value of p in terms of q. Now the first thing we need to know is that we are looking for p in terms of q. So whatever we have as the answer, it must contain q. The second thing is that the question says intersect. This tells you that these two graphs have to be equal. So capital Y equals small y. Now to substitute the value of capital Y, we write px squared plus q equals 2x squared minus 1 as a substitute of small y, 2x squared minus 1. Remember that the question says at x equals 2. So this is essentially telling you that you substitute the value of 2 instead of x in this equation. So you have p bracket 2 squared plus q equals 2 bracket 2 squared minus 1. Now 2 squared is 4. 4 times p plus q equals 2 times 4, which is 8 minus 1. 4p plus q equals 7. Now you are looking for p and you want to isolate p. In order to isolate p, you can eliminate this q. How do you eliminate this q? You can take it to the other side of the equation and this sign will change. But remember that mathematically, you are not actually taking q to the other side. You are subtracting q to the both sides of the equation. But for ease of understanding, we are just saying that you can have it as taking q to the other side of the equation. So 4p equals 7 minus q. Now we want to isolate p. For us to isolate p, we can now divide both sides of the equation by 4. Remember that whenever you do something to the left hand side of the equation, then you must at the same time do the same thing to the other side of the equation. So if we divide this side by 4, we also have to divide the other side by 4. So 4 cancels 4. P equals 7 minus q over 4. The correct option is option B. 7 minus q over 4 is not equal to 7 minus q divided by 4. So this is not the same as this. So you have to be careful, just in case, because it's not written properly here. It should have been written as 7 minus q close bracket divided by 4.